Are you struggling with finding the best gift? I have never had someone say, Sharon, no, I don't want your jewelry. Keep it. Shop Ana Luisa for the perfect gift for Mother's Day. This. It's me, Sharon, and today I'm gifting my mom jewelry from Ana Luisa as an early Mother's Day gift. For the best beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and of course, relaxed hair content, make sure you subscribe to my channel. Also, click the bell so you're notified every week when I upload a video. You don't want to miss it. So make sure you first subscribe, second, click that bell. Click it, subscribe, and click it. So Mother's Day is right around the corner, and I know we all are looking for the best gift, the perfect gift for our mom. Mothers are so special, and I love Mother's Day because we honor the person, the woman that gave us life and cared for us and loved us. So it is so important that we honor our moms and give them the best gift. And why not give them an exquisite, fantastic, beautiful piece of jewelry from Ana Luisa. So this video is in collaboration with Ana Luisa Jewelry, and Ana Luisa is no stranger on this channel. So my friends at Ana Luisa sent me 4 pieces of jewelry that I was able to choose and pick out for my mother for a Mother's Day. So thank you so much, Ana Luisa, for sponsoring this video. This is the perfect time to shop Ana Luisa for their Mother's Day sale. Currently going on right now. They have a 15% off sale, so you don't want to miss it. The sale ends May 12th. So go ahead, click the link down below. So today I decided to do a little pampering day with my mom. That's usually our bonding time when we get beautiful together. We just laugh and talk and reminisce, and it's just a good fun time. So first I started with her makeup. I did her a quick bead with some foundation, some blush, of course a poppin' lip color, and then we went on to hair because, as you know, this is a hair channel. We love our hair, and she is a relaxed woman. So I did go ahead and moisturize her hair, and then I went ahead and did a flat iron and a bump and styled her hair kind of like how I style my hair and how my sister styles her hair. Like when we were done, I was like, oh my gosh, like you look like me and you look like my sister. It's craziness. Oh, she's so tired after a long day of pampering and being cute. Look at this hair. She loved it. Then I went ahead and picked out her outfit. Some white pants with a pink, I guess an ombre or a gradual pink shirt. So I decided to go with this floral number. So now we are matching, and I'm going to present her with her beautiful gifts, her beautiful pieces of jewelry, stunning, exquisite jewelry from Ana Luisa. So let's see her reaction. So I know she will love these pieces, and also I can wear them as well. Quick story time. So I love my mom. She is the best mom I've ever had. She's always been that mom that has always made sure that we looked good and we felt good, and I love that about her. I got my love for fashion, style, all things glam I got from my mom. Like literally I can go in her closet and she has the best accessories, the best clothes, whatever I need. I could literally go in her closet and just shop. People are like, I love that, and I'm like, yeah, I got it from my mom's closet. Yeah, she get it from her mama. I'm so happy and grateful that I can now gift her beautiful pieces of jewelry that she will love. Mommy dearest, I have gifts for you.
Thank you, my baby.
Okay, lovies, so I have my mom with me. Say hi, Mom.
Hi, Mom.
open up these gifts and see what she has. Okay, Mom. Gift number 1.
Wow.
What does it say? Ana Luisa.
Ana Luisa.
Okay. Do you love it?
Love it.
These are the Rocks earrings, and they're plated in 14 karat gold. I love these earrings. They give you that minimalism vibe and feel. Definitely needed at home a lot. So these are great everyday earrings. They're super lightweight, which is what I love, and I just love the design detail of these earrings. Very cute and dainty, and like I said, you can wear this every day.
Wow. How many do I have?
Girl, you have 4 gifts.
Oh my goodness, Anna.
Girl.
Wow.
So this is gift number 2. This beautiful necklace called Mish. So beautiful. Look at that. Look at that gemstone. Love, 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 love it. The Mish necklace is a dainty gemstone necklace with a curved gold chain. The chain is plated in 14 karat gold, and it has a beautiful green gem. The gem is so beautiful. I love the pop of color that it gives to this necklace, so it just adds a little extra oomph to it. It's very delicate and dainty, and you can pair it with another necklace to get a layered effect, but I am in love with this necklace.
I love it, lovies.
You love it?
I love it. Wow, lovies.
You got to say okay.
A bracelet.
So the third piece of jewelry I got from my mom is the Michael bracelet. The Michael bracelet is timeless, but it definitely makes a statement. It is dipped in 14 karat gold, and it is a curved chain, and the links are squared off, just like the Adam Bold necklace. It is a very versatile piece. It can be layered as well with different bracelets to give it a more layered, bold statement look, which I love, or you can wear it alone, but either way, you're good to go.
And last,
A bracelet.
oh my goodness, I'm so special.
So special.
Yes, I am.
So special, so
And
special,
a
so special.
necklace to
Yes, a matching necklace
It's
to match.
the bracelet.
Mhm. So, a set.
And a pair, look, 3. The earrings match them.
Everything matched.
And then the extra little, look, you could put it like this.
What? Yes. The fourth piece of jewelry I decided to get from my mom is this beautiful gold chain necklace called Adam Bold. So this bracelet goes with the Adam Bold necklace. This pair together is gorgeous. So this necklace is not new. If you are old to this channel, if you've been watching my Ana Luisa videos, which you should have, you would have seen the Adam Bold necklace. So it's definitely a statement piece. It's a curved chain dipped in 14 karat gold. The links are squared off, and it's bold on its own. But you can also layer it day or night, night or day, staying in or going out. So this pair is perfect. You can definitely sport these 2 pieces. So you love your gift?
I love my gifts.
I love you, Mom. Happy Mother's Day.
I love you, Sharon, my baby. She's my baby.
I'm her baby. I'm the youngest. So yes, I am the baby. Let's put these pieces on.
And I have earrings right here.
Oh yeah, I forgot. So she's wearing her Ana Luisa. I believe they're the twisted rope earring.
Paris.
I don't know the name. Oh, Paris. Look, what's the name of it?
Paris.
Okay, Mom even knows the name of it. So she's wearing the Paris earrings. I gifted her for Christmas. So she's been wearing these nonstop. She loves them. So
I sleep in them. I do everything in them. Do I take my earrings off?
yeah, let's put on the new ones.
They're super easy to come off. You just click it.
We gonna start you a channel.
Oh my goodness, this
That
is
is
just
so
gorgeous.
beautiful, right? Ooh.
Mm-hmm. Beautiful.
Ooh, they're really nice.
They're cute.
Ooh. Ooh, that girl look good.
Now, Sharon, I need a ring.
You want a ring? My Noah ring from Ana Luisa. I love this ring. So we are all Ana Luisa out, okay?
Yes.
Earrings, Ana Luisa. Ring, Ana Luisa. Bracelets, Ana Luisa. Necklace, Ana Luisa. Okay. I see you. Okay, Mom. So what would you say is your favorite piece of jewelry you got today?
The piece with the jade.
Okay, so this is your favorite piece.
Mm-hmm. I'm all jeweled up. Thank you, Sharon.
I know. You love your jewelry?
I love my jewelry.
She loves her jewelry. So go ahead and check out Ana Luisa. I'll have the link down in the description box below. Go gift or buy your mom, aunt, sister, that special woman in your life that you would love to honor on Mother's Day. Go ahead and buy her some jewelry. She'll love it. I mean, what woman doesn't love jewelry? Ana Luisa is a carbon neutral company that specializes in sustainable luxury jewelry, but without the markup. So pieces start at $39. So there's something for everyone. And let's talk about quality. The quality is exquisite. Real gold jewelry, real silver jewelry at an affordable price. I mean, it doesn't get better than that. Their pieces are long lasting and made with the best noble metals, and they have a 365-day warranty. Ana Luisa jewelry is made in limited batches to ensure the highest production standards while eliminating excess waste. So you want to make sure you snatch up your pieces before they sell out. Okay, lovey, so this was my pre-Mother's Day gifting, pampering session with my mom. So make sure you guys go ahead and check out Ana Luisa for their Mother's Day sale. The sale ends May 12th. So make sure you buy your items before May 5th so you can ensure that your mom will get her gift by May 9th. The link is down below. So go ahead and click the link to shop Ana Luisa's 15% off sale for Mother's Day. For more videos on Ana Luisa jewelry, go ahead and check out my simple ways to enhance your style, also my everyday jewelry haul and my affordable jewelry haul. Comment down below and let me know what is your favorite piece of jewelry. Out of all 4 pieces, what is your favorite piece of jewelry and what piece would your mom love? Let us know in the comment section down below. Check out these videos next for beauty, fashion, lifestyle, and of course, relaxed hair content. If you like this video, make sure you give it a thumbs up. Be sure to subscribe and share it with all your friends. Thanks, lovies, and I'll see you in the next one.